So here we are at day 5 in assembling your travel journal kit. Now, if you do just pen and ink, then you're not going to need this, but I'm a watercolor guy. I like to do little watercolor vignettes into my sketchbook, my travel book. So this is a little Winsor Newton watercolor set, travel set. There's no product placement here. I don't get anything from Winsor Newton for doing this. I just think that it happens to be a really cost-effective and really good set of colors that you have there. And actually the portable paintbrush, the folding paintbrush you got is really actually pretty good quality. So you've got a great set of 12 paints there. You've got all of your little pans here for doing some mixing, and away you go. It's, again, small, lightweight. If you want, you can just take a little rubber band to make sure it stays closed there, and isn't going to go anywhere. And again, tuck it into your travel journal kit. There you go. Look how small this is staying. And you're going to be surprised at just how small, lightweight, and cost-effective this can be. Don't go spending $150 on a travel paint set. You just don't need it. I think this one cost me maybe $30. So go for it. You're going to love having your own kit.